Y'all, we're getting down to business. We have a lot to do today. My husband got me a tool bag full of tools, and suddenly I feel like Tool Time Liz. Now, if you're new to my channel, we live in a log home. We call it our vacation home, and we live here during the summer months, and we come here for all the holidays. So we have some challenges. We've got log walls, and as you can see, a lot of wood. So I want to bring a softness to the space. Let's see what I do. I have this huge mirror. I'm going to move it into place. So as you can see, I brought in my Bassett mirror that I love so much, but I want to add sort of a rustic flair to it. So I'm going in with my favorite barn light that I get on Amazon. I'm going to install it. As I've stated, I love these because they plug in. No hard wiring required, although you could, but I'm not going to in this case. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm planning to go probably right here. Well, yeah, probably right here. So right here on this wall, I just want to add a little bit of texture and kind of lighten it up a little. So I have this, I don't even know what it was. I got it at the Lazy Daisy, and she said it was old, and they just put chicken wire on it and hung a wreath. So I'm going to hang that. Okay, so if you've been following me, you may remember that in our master bedroom, we have this rustic gas fireplace, and it didn't have a mantle above it. So I had this old wall shelf from Hobby Lobby, and I decided to use it as a mantle to sort of suffice until I could find something that I really liked. And so we're going to decorate the top of it. I have a mirror, and I'm gonna just rest it up there and lean it. Next, my dear friend Lucy got me these two beautiful candle holders from Amazon. And so what I'm gonna do is just place a garden ball on top of it to add texture and a little pop of green. Okay, right here above the television, I have yet another Hobby Lobby black shelf, but above it, I'm gonna add a clock. Beside the clock, I have this cute rustic looking topiary, and I'm gonna set it right here. Next, I have this rustic style lantern with an LED flameless flickering candle. Now over here we have yet another black Hobby Lobby shelf that matches the one above the fireplace, and I'm just keeping it simple. I'm actually not going to put anything on it today, but I am going to hang this above it. My daughter went to a store called the Apple House where they have lots of cute farmhouse signs. Why is this so dark? And she found this sign, and it says, "In this house, we get wild, but only till about 9 p.m. And I just thought that was hilarious because that's usually when we go to bed, 10-ish usually. So I didn't know where I was going to put this, but I'm just going to lean it up on top of the windowsill because I'm trying to add some lighter colors to this room since there is so much wood. Okay, so right here, I want to add 2 lamps on either side of the TV, just to add ambiance. I think that's cozy. Next, I'm just going to add some simple greenery, just to add a little bit of texture. So when we bought this log home, it once was a vacation rental. And we don't know what this exactly was used for, but it's a big cutout, like you can see. And I think it was used for luggage. Like people could stick their luggage in here, and they had a spring rod that went across it with some hangers on it, and we thought it was tacky. So we are thinking about making this a cute coffee bar, but for now, it is what it is. Maybe we'll get like a cute sliding little barn door. But I thought what I would put in there is just 2 mirrors to kind of have a little bit of a reflective property. So the window that's across the way, the light will bounce back kind of over in this dark area. Okay, so I have 2 of these window style mirrors, and I think I'm just gonna stick them in there for the time being. So I have 2 of them, and I'm gonna put that little topiary kind of in the middle. So down there I have 2 little nesting boxes, and I am gonna place my diffuser on top because I want to add that beautiful scent in this room. So next I have this ultrasonic diffuser. I'm going to unbox this, and then I'm going to add my favorite Aromatech scent, which is white tea. And it's, you guys, this is like my favorite. It will make your house smell so good. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I like this one because it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see, it kind of has a stone appearance, but really what you do is you take this off, take that off, then I'm gonna go fill this up with water and fill it to the max line you see there. I'll be right back. So take your diffuser, pour the water in, then take the Aromatech white tea scent. Comes with a little dropper, and this is what I do. Take the cord, put it right there, get it ready to go. Then take this, put it like that. Then take the top part and put it over. You guys, one time I was in a hurry and I forgot to put this on, and water went everywhere. So never forget to put that on. And then just slip this over the top like that. And I'm gonna plug it in, and it lights up. It has a 1 hour option, a 2 hour option, and a 4 hour option. So if you're having company and you want your house to smell amazing, stick it on the 4 hour one, and it'll rip and roar for 4 hours. I have this cute little riser that I got on Amazon. I have so many of these. I love them. I love the little farmhouse look and feel. I love how the feet are sort of stained. And I'm gonna set this on top of there and then put my diffuser on top just so it has a nice flat surface. And you guys, if you have a smart TV, you can go to YouTube and get summer backgrounds, all different kinds of backgrounds. But I love the beach, and so I can put this on in my room, use it sort of as artwork, kind of. and hear the ocean waves, and I just love it. Okay, next, right here you see we've got these beautiful lanterns with LED flameless flickering candles, and I absolutely love those. They have a remote, so when you want it cozy, or if your power goes out, you know, you've got light. Now on my bedside table, I just love adding basket trays because I like the texture. I'm going to add this basket tray, and I like to add these on either side of the bed just because it contains your whatever you're putting in it, and it looks nice and tidy. And if you have to pick all your stuff up to dust, you can just go and move it. So I'm going to take my basket and place it here. To the basket, I'm going to add another wood farmhouse riser. To the riser, I'm going to add a lamp. Why am I doing this? Because I am trying to create more of a dramatic effect. As opposed to having the lamp sit low, I'm gonna have it sit high. And that's all I'm gonna do. And I'm going to mimic the same thing on my husband's side. Now for me, I love it looking more dramatic. When you raise the lamps, it's like boom. I had to replace my batteries. Okay, next, I ordered 2 of these chairs on Amazon during Amazon Prime Day, and it comes with 2 ottomans. And so this is how I'm choosing to use them in this room. So I have a little ottoman here. I'm going to use it as a table in between the chairs. Found these 2 cute pillows at Walmart of all places, so I'm going to put one on each chair. Next, I'm going to place this little wood tray on top of that ottoman. Next, I have this pretty cloche. I found this on, I think WAYFAIR. I think it was WAYFAIR. But I love the little finial at the top and how this is wood at the bottom. Super cute. Okay, now I have another ottoman, and I'm going to sit it right at the foot of that chair. And then I have this French country bench I'm going to put at the end of the bed. Oh, I thought right now I would talk about the curtains. Those are drop cloth curtains I found on Amazon. They're more of a white gray, a little whiter and brighter than the typical beige ones. And then I got matching rods, and yeah, we hung them that way. Super inexpensive, and you get the height and the length that you want. And this is the same comforter we have in our West Virginia house. And you may be saying, why didn't you get something different? Why not? We love this comforter so much. It feels so luxurious. It's nice and heavy, and we just fold it back at the end of the day, and then we have our down comforter and our sheets beneath it. So there's really no reason to use that unless it's winter time and we really want to get warm. So we love it. We're a huge fan of this comforter set, and it's by Harbor House. Big pillows you see back there, I got those at Walmart, and I wanted to get a different pillow that kind of pulled in the color of the drop cloth curtains because they are a little bit different, but I think it ties nicely. I also want to point out our floors. If you've been following me, you know that when we moved into this house, I hated these floors. These are apparently tiger wood floors, and I have to say they have grown on me. They really have. I mean, they're different, they're unique. You don't see this in a lot of homes. There could be a reason why, but anyway, I like them. I like them. So I think everything we've done in here with a neutral base ties in nicely with the flooring. Oh, and we got a new rug. This is from Amazon. We absolutely love it. It really does lighten and brighten the space. And I'm going to give you a room tour in 2 seconds. All right, friends, well, that is going to wrap up my master bedroom, decorate with me, and tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be taking tomorrow off, but you will see me here next week. And so with that said, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Love you all so much, and I'll see you then. Mwah! Bye, guys.